In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bullets on Google Docs. If you want to organize notes, create a checklist, style outline, or make information easier to scan, bullet points are a simple and useful formatting tool. Google Docs makes this very quick to do, and once you know where the option is, you can apply bullets in just a few clicks. To get started, place your cursor exactly where you want the bulleted list to begin in your document. This is important because Google Docs will insert the bullet at the position of your cursor. So if you are starting a brand new list, just click on the empty line where you want it to appear. If you're adding bullets to an existing section, make sure your cursor is in the correct spot before moving on. Next, type the text or item you want to put your bullet on, or highlight text that is already written if you want to convert it into a bulleted list. This gives you a little flexibility depending on how you prefer to work. Some people like to format first and type afterward, while others prefer to write everything out and then apply bullets once the content is ready. Either approach works fine in Google Docs. After that, go up to the toolbar and click the Bulleted List button. This icon usually looks like three small dots with lines beside them. Once you click it, Google Docs will instantly apply bullet formatting to your selected text, or begin a new bulleted list where your cursor is placed. If you highlighted multiple lines, each line will typically become its own bullet, which is especially helpful when formatting lists quickly. That's all it takes to use bullets on Google Docs. It's a very simple feature, but it can make your document look much cleaner and more organized. Bullets are especially helpful when you want to break up long paragraphs, present key points clearly, or make instructions easier to follow. As a quick tip, if something doesn't look right, double check whether you placed the cursor correctly or selected all the text you wanted to format before clicking the button. Small placement issues can affect how the list appears. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to add bullets in Google Docs and make your document easier to read. Thanks for watching.